Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put stop loss on MetaTrader 5. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaTrader 5 application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the quotes menu, from which you can see the various different metrics within the market. Now, if you wish to make a trade using stop loss, simply tap on the trade that you want to make first, then tap on New Order, and you will see the option to buy and sell this currency. Before starting your buying or selling, you will see the SL option. Go ahead and use the plus and the minus sign in order to increase or decrease your stop loss value. Once you set your stop loss value, you can also choose the take profit value, and after setting both of these values, you can also choose your deviation and then choose to start selling or buying this stock. Go ahead and tap on your desired option and the transaction will begin right away. You can do this with as many number of trades as you wish by using the stop loss and take profit feature. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add stop loss onto your account on MetaTrader 5. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.